This project involves taking BIBS students to deliver AI workshops to faculty and graduate students at Hong Kong University. Elsa and Adena, both 10th grade students at Shunyi campus of BIBS, they successfully conducted a hands-on workshop on AI integration and design thinking. The BIBS students incorporated two innovative educational models derived from Stanford's Research and Design School: Ask Smile, Stanford Mobile Inquiry-Based Learning Environment, and AI Integrated Design Thinking Methodology. For Adena and Elsa, preparing for this workshop took months of dedication, during which they delivered a mini version of the workshop to teachers at Shunyi campus. Through refining their presentation skills and integrating the latest technologies, these two students excelled in front of the professors and graduate students at the university.